Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Monday, April 4th. We are just returning from spring break, and we have a brand new calendar for a brand new month. Let's look at the first few days of the month to lead us to today's card. On April 1st, which was Friday, we had a square. And as we look at this square, I want you to think about, can this square be folded in half to make two equal parts? Can we fold that square in half? The answer is yes. We can draw a line straight down the middle, and then we would have two equal parts. See what the next card has. Triangle. Wow. Can we do the same thing with the triangle where we can draw a line to make two equal parts? Let's see. Wow. We can draw a line and make two equal parts even with a triangle. Let's see if we can do it with yesterday's card. Believe it or not, this is we're going to count the sides for so you know the name of the shape and how many sides it has. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5-sided shape is called a pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Pentagon. Let's see if we can draw a line. Cutting this pentagon in half to make two equal parts. Yes, we can. These lines that we're drawing for each one of these shapes are really lines that we call symmetry, lines of symmetry, where we see the same amount on each side of the line. There's a point at the top of the shape on one side, there's a point at the top of the shape on the other side. These are called lines of symmetry, making two equal parts. Let's see what today's card has. Whoa, we have a beautiful rhombus, and we love our rhombuses. Let's see if we can do that same thing. Can we draw a line to make two equal parts? Yes, we can even draw a line of symmetry on the rhombus. Again, our goal is to, first of all, see if it's possible to draw a line of symmetry and make two equal parts. So it's a combination activity here. We're going to continue to do this throughout the entire month of April. What I'd like you to do is right now, just because we haven't been together for a while, I would like you to write down at least 4 different ways that you can make the number 10. And let me show you what I mean so you won't say, Mrs. Graham, what do you mean? I could say 1 plus 9 equals 10. That's one way to make 10. I could even take a math fact where I have 10 as the first number. 10 minus 1 equals 9. I've made 2 math equations now that both have that number 10. Can you come up with 3 to even 4 more equations that have that number 10? But remember, they have to be real facts. You can't say 0 plus 9 equals 10. That's not true. You can't have 0 and add 9 to it and say you have 10. So whatever you do put, it has to be a real fact. I know you can do it. 3 to 4 facts. That's what you're creating. And don't use what I've used. Create your own. Thank you. Off you go.